Hey guys, we're back. We have this gigantic Master Lock Magnum M15. I know I said I was going to work my way up, but we have jumped from the 140 to the big clunky M15. I've been playing around with it and it's driving me insane. Number 10 on their scale, although I can tell you right now there are no security pins in it. It is a big, clunky, slow master junk. There's your open, your close, pull that out. And it's actually been giving me a pretty hard time with picking. I've been able to pick it counterclockwise, although that doesn't get me an open, really, with the lock. I have successfully picked the pin tumbler. Come on, hocus pocus, get the focus. See, it works every single time. Anyways, a couple minutes ago, I did finally pick it clockwise, so we are going to try and get it on camera. Oh, come on, baby. Nope. Okay, we're gonna reset. Sorry about that. Excuse me. No. Okay, sometimes it screws up and... No, okay, we're good that way. Lock it back up. Oh, this should not take this long, guys. I am sorry about this. This big, clunky, junky piece of metal is really driving me nuts. Oh, I thought we had it. I really thought we had it there. And we did. Okay. Awesome. Alright, guys. We got it. I don't know why this thing gives me such trouble picking it clockwise. I'm not going to bother ruining the video and trying to show you picking it counterclockwise. But yeah, I was able to do it counterclockwise and turn it around on the first try. And for some reason, it took me a long time to get it clockwise. Anyways, guys, this is the Master Lock Magnum M15. Big, giant monster. Big, slow, clunky, bulky lock. Spp'd, finally. Anyways, guys, next we will most likely move on to the 150 or possibly that cool shutter lock. Anyways, guys, always keep it legal, have fun, and subscribe. We will see you next time.